Hello and welcome to Jambula. In this video, we will go through how to start an after-school program. So let's get started. There are over 19 million children in the US who want to join an after-school program but lack access. These programs fill a critical gap during the hours of 3 to 6 p.m., providing safety, academic support, and enrichment for families. Phase 1. Planning and design. Define your mission. Establish a core purpose, whether it is academic help, creative enrichment, or both to guide every decision. Identify target age group. Determine this early as it dictates licensing requirements, staffing ratios, and program design. Structure daily schedule. Create a balance to keep students engaged, including snacks and nutrition breaks, homework help sessions, enrichment activities. For example, STEM or arts, physical play and recreation. Phase 2. Timeline to launch. A structured 90-day countdown ensures all critical steps are completed. 90 days out. Finalize the mission statement and program structure, submit licensing applications. 60 days out. Hire and onboard staff, launch community outreach and marketing efforts. 30 days out. Host an open house for families and conduct a mock day to test operations and identify process gaps. Launch day. Open with a trained team, enrolled students, and a clear plan for the first week. Phase 3. Legal and administrative essentials. Business registration. File as a business or nonprofit entity with the state. Child care license. Apply through state agencies. Requirements vary by location and age group. Background checks. Mandatory for every staff member and volunteer without exception. Safety codes. Ensure the facility meets all zoning, fire, and building safety requirements. Liability insurance. Secure adequate coverage to protect the program, staff, and participants. Emergency plans. Develop comprehensive preparedness plans for all potential scenarios. Phase 4. Budgeting and funding. A sustainable program requires distinguishing between two types of costs. Startup costs, legal registration fees, furniture, equipment, marketing, branding, and initial supplies. Operating costs, staff wages and benefits, rent, utilities, ongoing supplies, curriculum, insurance, and compliance. Funding streams, diversify income through federal, state, and private grants, engage in community donations from local businesses, and implement sliding scale tuition to remain accessible to all income levels. Phase 5. Curriculum and activities. Programs should avoid just recreating the classroom, instead creating engaging experiences that support both academic and social development. STEM challenges. Hands-on projects like building bridges or coding games to spark critical thinking. Literacy. Storytelling and creative writing to build imagination and communication skills. Social emotional learning. Games for emotional recognition to help children manage feelings and support healthy social development. Physical play. Structured indoor and outdoor activities to promote teamwork and stress relief. Enrichment. Art and music exploration. Phase 6. Staffing and training. Staff is considered the make or break element of the student experience. Hiring. Seek candidates with childcare experience and strong conflict resolution skills. Thorough onboarding. Must cover safety protocols, emergency procedures, and mandated reporting requirements before staff interact with students. Ongoing development. Provide regular professional development to keep morale high, improve program quality, and reduce turnover. Phase 7. Marketing and enrollment. Building visibility and trust is key to filling program spots. Local SEO. Optimize online presence so parents searching for nearby programs find you first. Partnerships. Build relationships with local PTAs and schools to generate referrals. Community engagement. Attend local events to build visibility. Registration software. Use tools like Jambula to manage enrollment, waitlists, and secure payments in one place. Phase 8. Measuring success. Year 1. The first year is a period of learning and adaptation. Programs should track key metrics. Enrollment targets. Are capacity goals being reached? Attendance rates. Are families consistently engaged? Parent satisfaction. Use regular surveys to gather feedback. Data-driven improvements. Use this data to refine the program quickly and build a strong foundation. That's it for today. You can read the full guide in our blog post. Visit our website for more info and book a demo today.